In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. Integrating these two powerful platforms can streamline your workflows and enhance your productivity by allowing seamless data sharing and better project management between your team and your clients. So, let's dive into the process step by step and get you connected in no time. First, let's start by navigating to your ClickUp workspace. Open ClickUp and look to the upper left side to find your workspace profile. This is where you'll gain access to modify your settings. Clicking on the profile icon will lead you to the main settings options. Now, let's move forward by clicking on Settings. You should see this option readily available once you're in the profile section. This area houses all the necessary configurations to personalize your ClickUp experience and connect various applications. Within the Settings menu, next locate and click on the App Center. The App Center is essentially a hub for finding and managing integrations with other tools, including our target for today, HubSpot CRM. When you're in the App Center, you will see several categories. Your next step is to click on CRM and Support. This category specifically focuses on customer relationship management tools like HubSpot, so locating HubSpot will be easier through this filter. Once inside the CRM and Support section, you'll see HubSpot listed among other available integrations. Click on HubSpot. Selecting HubSpot will bring up further options to manage and configure this particular integration. The next step is to click on Manage. This will allow you to handle specifics regarding how ClickUp interacts with HubSpot. At this stage, you're preparing to fully integrate the two platforms, so make sure everything looks set as you desire. Following this, you need to click on Add to HubSpot. This option initiates the actual integration process. It might require a few moments to sync, so be patient while systems get aligned. Finally, a quick note. If you're currently on a free ClickUp plan, at this point, the system will prompt you to upgrade to a paid plan in order to proceed with the HubSpot integration. This is because certain integrations and advanced features are only available to paid subscribers. It's something to keep in mind if you're serious about leveraging the full potential of integrating these tools. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to connect ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you can now better manage your projects and CRM activities all from a single platform, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow across your teams and clients. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure